Welcome to our tutorial on how to pin a chat group on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC and sign into your account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, locate and click on Messages to access your direct messages. Step 3. In the address box, enter the name of the group chat you want to pin. Step 4. Click on the group chat from the list of conversations. Step 5. Next, click on the More icon, usually represented by 3 dots or an ellipsis. Step 6. From the options that appear, select Pin Conversation to pin the chat group to the top of your messages list. By following these steps, you can easily pin a chat group on Twitter, ensuring quick access and visibility to your important conversations. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to pin a chat group on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy staying organized and prioritizing your conversations with this feature.